Hello traders, hello friends, I'm Coach Jay and for today's video ay i-execute na natin ang ating na plan yesterday for AUD USD. So if hindi nyo pa yun na-watch, please watch, naka-upload na po yun. That is very important para po makasabay kayo sa ating video for today. Alright, so as mentioned, no, merong high impact news sa AUD USD. And this is about the CPI. Okay, so ang result ay 3.4% yung actual niya versus the forecast na 3.5%. So the result was less than the forecast. Therefore, this is not so good sa economy ng AUD. Although hindi naman ganun ka-significant yung dinecrease niya, but then less than pa rin siya. Alright, so let's jump into the chart of AUD USD. Okay, so pag nagsisimula ako, dahil day trader ako, syempre i-check ko yung daily time frame. So as you can see yesterday, no, na form na itong shooting star na to. So therefore, this is a sign na magkakaroon ng move to the downside. Alright? And as mentioned naman, no, dun sa aking analysis ay very si AUD USD. Alright. Yan. So, because of the series of lower lows and lower highs and also EMA 200 is pointing downward. Okay? So, dahil mag-execute na tayo ng trade, let's go to H1. Yan. So, dahil bearish tayo kay AUD USD, syempre dito naman sa H1 ay maghahanap din tayo ng bearish price action. Okay. So, ito yung nakita kong price action niya for AUD USD. So, after this very impulsive move to the downside, so talagang this is the clue na magtutuloy-tuloy yung kanyang upside move. Alright, so if we will check the correction niya from this high to the low. Okay, so nagkaroon dito sa may 70% area ng bounce. Okay, yan. So ibig sabihin talagang so, nasa strategy natin, no, na nagkaroon ng bounce dito. Although, syempre, hindi ko pa siya tinrade. Alright. Dito, dahil anong oras na yan nag-print. Ayan, so, medyo madaling araw na. So, it's okay. Hindi natin kailangan abangan lahat ng oras. Importante pa rin ang tulog. So, syempre, okay lang. Ngayon na lang tayo maghanap ng ating trade. So, ito napansin ko ay nagkaroon dito ng okay. So, ang ginagawa niya ay mukhang bear flag. Ibig sabihin, so, ito yung kanyang pole. Okay. Ayan, and this is the flag. Alright. So, ibig sabihin, bear flag is a continuation pattern wherein so ibig sabihin since continuation pattern to, look nyo lang yung move niya before this bear flag, and ayan. So ako dahil nasa strategy ko ito, magse-sell na ako ngayon, ano. Alright. And also, nagkaroon na din dito, if makikita natin, nagkaroon na naman ng bearish and gulping. Okay, so magsho-short na ako ngayon. Okay. So, siguro, ang SL ko muna ay just below this, just above this EMA 200, and ang target TP ko would be, sige, i-check lang natin. check la ito na lang tong previous move niya to the downside. Okay, yung mga hindi pa nakapanood ng How I Use the Fibonacci, meron na din po akong video nun. Please watch din po yon. Ayan, so siguro, ayan. Ayan, so ang TP target ko ay, ito, dito sa fib extension na negative 27.20%. Okay, so may confluence naman yan dahil ito ang previous support. Kita nyo maraming touches dyan sa area na yan. Okay? So, hanggang dyan muna yung ating target TP. So, again, no, this is just this is not a trade recommendation. This is just for educational purposes, and of course, always trade at your own risk. So, always follow your risk management. Yun lang. Bye-bye!